Hey guys, it's Asusake here, and welcome back to Forager. So this time, I actually did look at the time. Sorry for the bit of a short episode last time. Got a little distracted. I mean, that's nothing new, to be honest. Anyone who's ever viewed any of my videos or streams, they know. It'd be like that. One of these, get rid of it. Glass. This guy. Get out of me face. Get out me way. Me want snow. Dude, if these guys just make infinite eggs, like, these guys are my best. So what do we need to make a bottle? Glass. Perfect, because that equals the second one. This time, don't accidentally put water in it. Grab torch bugs. Or gold. Formioli, give me the goldaroni. Go. I see more gold up there too. Scares me, it excites me. Honestly, it's everything. It's everything to me. It's like a father to me. I don't know how we're eventually going to make this less tedious. Because eventually it's gonna have to be less tedious, right? Picked up another? Wait, didn't we? Oh, we made it, but we don't have room. Eat. Go. Alright, we need some of them night bugs. You. Night bug. 1 out of 2. Did he auto take it? Oh, it's in my inventory. I give it to him? Nah, I'll just have to hold it till I have to make another one, I think. Unless I can just go up to a night bug with this bottle. I'm sad because there's 100% a way to drop this water out of here. I just don't know what it is, Mr. Krabs. Close to leveling up, by the way. Relatively close, you know? I mean, we're not like right there or anything. Getting there. Taking our time. We're just moving along. Definitely gonna need some sand, so let's for everything here. Let's grab sand. Or gold. Also, didn't we say there was gold like up here? Yeah. I don't really know where we're gonna expand next. I didn't really look. I just been going off like gut feeling, which, you know, never how you wanna like plan things, but here we are. Dude, there's so much gold right there. I don't know, dude, we're gonna have so much money. Ready for all this money. And we leveled up. We're frickin' hacks. What is this? Unlocks boots and gloves. What that will do? Torches. I don't know what torches will do too. Isn't that just like a bigger thing for light? Torch just sound pretty good too. Or XP sounds fun. Honestly, we shouldn't get this till we can sell stuff anyway. Great idea. It doesn't like help us immediately, but aw, trade baby. Unlocks markets. Next level. Oh, I'm so happy. I think that's gonna make everything a lot less tedious. Go ahead and do this. Gold as we can. Get all those chickens. Chickens are friends. So many chickens, though. We have. Can I just drink the water? Probably using like recipes and stuff. My assumption here. Make some more dash. I'm so excited about where we're going next. Thing is, like, I have no idea where we're going next, but like, I'm excited already. I can't believe we haven't gotten a single other cow around here. I mean, I guess, like, knowing that you're going to be murdered the second you come to life is probably not the most attractive option. So I do... Oop. Fertilizer? I don't have crops yet, though, so I probably shouldn't pick it up. Waste away a minute. What do we get from you? Sorry, bud. You know how it is coming on this island. Shit's crazy around here. Oh, beautiful, dude. We're still gonna have to wait till nighttime to catch another. This is the thing, right? We hold on to the... Probably shouldn't be eating that raw, but whatever. We can make more traps, more fish. Oh, we need you. Go ahead and... I'm gonna say do whatever, but... We have room. Go ahead and get that started. Grab that glass. Need one more glass, I think, right? Yeah. 4 more sand. The first part of sand. Bigger backpack. Sand. I love it. Getting there. We're getting a lot of stuff done. I actually did look at the time, by the way. I know I said that in the very beginning, but it's important to reiterate because very, very forgetful. Especially when I'm enjoying myself, like in this game. It's so easy just to get lost in the sauce of this game. I mean, it's really that good. That's like a testament to how good a game is. I have 1 iron ore. Ah, but we have stuff we're picking up right there. Man. I hate it. Yeah, though. The backpack's coming soon. Get the poop out of here. I don't want the poop. Go poop yourself. Ah. 4 more slots. I love it. Good job, us. Yo, that's 3 out of 4. Yeah, 1 more. Now we should get it like right before nighttime, hopefully. In a perfect world, anyway. I'm trying to harsh on your vibe, but I don't need that many chickens. So I guess like just unlimited food. We already have unlimited. Kinda. Mostly unlimited. I guess purely by unlimited, I mean we have so much, there's so many fish at this point. Real hard to see something go crazy with it. Part of me is like, yo, just say screw it all and save up a full 1,000 for the big hot mama right there. Then, you know, live the rest of your glory days in peace. But we all know that's not how it goes down. I got a feeling that she doesn't really do anything. I mean, she probably does something great, but it's probably not so insane that we should like drop all of our current goals to get it. You know what I'm saying? No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. Honestly, had me worried for a second there. excited. There's a high likelihood this is all gonna work out great. Catch this boy right here. It's going so well. Oh my god, it's happening. Thank you for the critters. You may keep these magic trolls as a reward. Druid helper. I'm afraid the natural resource exploitation is still going rapid. Can you bring me some tree saplings so I can make sure the forest is safe? Yo, I don't even know how to get that, homie. Can I go in your house? Oh my god, I actually went in his house. Oh my god! Yo. I got a fedora. Like, I don't want you to be alarmed, but I actually have a fedora on now. Milady. Yeah. Eating is always a good idea. Not gonna lie to you. You are correct. Bum 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 bum. All that stuff cooks up. Let's go ahead and grab a lot of wood. For multiple reasons. It's gold? Hey, it's gold! It's gold, it's gold, it's gold, it's gold, it's solid gold, baby. I know, you didn't think I could sing, but honestly, you're just welcome. Yeah, we all get exhausted, okay? Life's hard. Get used to it, Buttercup. Oh, I just dug out literally an entire island worth of trees. Deforestation. Take it up with somebody who cares about your complaints, Mr. I don't even know who you actually are, man. Actually can't wait till we get the next the upgraded version of our pick, so we can do all this stuff faster, stronger, and harder too. He's the first member of the DK crew. These are my wishes. So we got 320, 420, 270, 280, 250. I think I'm gonna go for one of these cheapies. 280, 270. Let's go 280. Depending on like gold values and convenience. Yeah, it's just gonna be like completely on convenience whether or not we go for the higher or the lower, I guess. Like if gold is still like popping up pretty regularly and easily before then, we'll go for the gold. But if we're like right at the right amount of money and we just can't find any more, probably I'd go ahead and do the lower one. Goes to the next level too. We'll get the market and then we can get prospecting. You know, it's all gonna be coming through. Honestly, once we get prospecting, if it's as easy as I think it is to sell, like who needs to get money by smelting down gold anymore? Royal clothes. Okay. Go ahead and these right here. Watch it like require us to have some other crap. It's probably gonna be like you need smelting and crazy stuff and what was that? What is these? We have artistry. Craft items sell for 25% more coin. You also have items discarded from your inventory are instantly sold instead. Oh my god. Oh, that's hot. Wow, that's freaky naughty right there. Be honest with you. Yo. Might be the greatest thing I've ever heard. Here. Market is 20 bricks, 5 leather. Bricks? Yeah, a lot of leather. Catch 50 fish, angler. Does that actually give us anything? Oh, they give us like oh, oh my god, that's incredible. Yo, that's so cool. Hey, what? I didn't see you. Stop. Literally just freaking fish from Nuclear Throne. That's amazing. I think I accidentally killed a chicken. Sorry about that. I never did look what these were either. Druid scroll. Oh my god. That's very awkward. Well, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to do that. I want to catch this dang fairy. Wow. Well, isn't this just something? Oh, no. Quit beating that. This. Not gonna lie. Don't feel all that smart right now. Have. No. Get rid of this. Up these bricks. This. Beautiful. They cost more every time, by the way. You're wondering why I'm not just like spamming 700 trillion of them. Just because I can't afford it. Hey, this is gonna take a minute because I didn't know this was gonna do this. So yeah. Can't really just afford to have this just sitting here, unfortunately. I don't think we had to clear all of it, but like most of it would be quite nice. Please let me go. I'm sorry. Nature! Why you do this to me? Why you bully me? Where's all the money gone? $16 per currently. I don't know if it goes up by what number it goes. I think they gave us some food. Alright, this is good enough-ish. Mostly I'm just tired of murdering trees. Please. Please move and never come back to me, tree. I have so many things right now. This is kind of ridiculous. I don't know who thought this was a great idea. I mean, obviously, you know, didn't really put a lot of thought into it. I don't know who could have, you know, did this. But whoever did this, man, you know, really just start thinking, you know? Use your brain next time. You know, whoever did this. Not that I would know. Or, you know, could be blamed for anything. Because obviously wasn't me. Did you ever hear the song by Sir Shaggy? I believe that's his name. It goes, "It wasn't me, da-na-na-na-na-na-na, it wasn't me." Something about getting caught while banging on a sofa, whatever those ancient words mean. Honestly, I wouldn't know. Very, very innocent person here. I'm just not very worldly. Give me that fish. Give me that. Catch that. Or I can't have a stat. Devil me up, baby. I think we just do this, honestly. Because, I mean, we still want to make the market, but I think we just do this for now. Market sell more items. Unlocks amulets. Gym sell for 20% more coin. Yo. So now, if I'm not mistaken, let's try it with something else first, because I don't want to try it with the important thing right out the gate. Try it with this. We should get $9. $9, dude. Yo, my God, we're best players in the video game. Yo, we can get the 320 though. The underground just spun around and did a 320 instead of a 360. Oh, yo, I need your leather. Yo, I know you're big and bad, but I need your leather. What are these things, and why are they so cute? You guys are adorable. You are amazing, and we love you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna hurt you. You are too cute to hurt. No, quit being scared. I'm sorry. Look, I'm walking away. We're friends. We're cool. We're cool. Everything's cool. Don't panic. Yeah. Inventory is full. Inventory is perpetually full, okay? There's never been a time where inventory hasn't been full. Think about that. Oh my God, these sell for so much. What else can we sell here? So, these go up in price by 2. Which are coals? Coals sell for 3, so actually it's not even worth it to do that. That's interesting. I think I'm just gonna... You know what? I'm just gonna say screw this too. Even though I understand. Probably really good. I just don't know better right now. I'm dumb, you know? 420! 70! Yeah, we're living in fucking... We're living in a new year right now. We're unstoppable. Here. Welcome to the museum. Our collections are rather incomplete at the moment. Feel free to help me fill with the bundles. You'll get a reward for each one completed. And a super special reward if you complete them all. Oh, interesting. Okay, I see. Trapping. Alchemy. Archaeology. Interesting. Okay, I see. I'm not super excited about it yet. Because, I still need to do a lot of stuff. But I get it. We go off this or off that? Or we should probably do both. We'll do it this way. We need to get through here first. Because you know I gotta go check this out. Pretty sure this is just, gold, but in this type of rock. Yeah, it is. Oh, interesting. It gives a lot of stone as 140 bucks. I'm gonna hold on to an anchor. Where'd we get the anchor? Wait a second. Is that just a rare thing? Ancient galaxy? The heck? What's up, baby? Welcome home. Uh-huh. I am big confusion. So we can get like, it appears like each of these, if you like put it like almost perfectly, get like you know what this gets us though. If it gets us anything. That. Well, we got as much as we can do for now. I don't know what any of this is done. I can't believe you've done this. I'll be back when I understand. If I ever understand, yes. Surprised these guys never did anything for us. They're just like, yo, don't murder me. Like, okay. You're amazing and we love you. Okay. I won't murder you, but I'm thinking about it. Don't you forget it. Why do we have 3 anchors? I'm scared to sell them because what if they're important? Oh man. He's doing it. He's going for it. Get 600 bucks. I think I'm gonna go for the gold here. It's up to 760. That it's up to 840. Okay. Okay, so it's a $1 increase. I see experience. Appreciate you. Going for the gold. Yo, these trees have gotten out of hand. I need like a super strong axe or something. We've gone too far. Trying to box me in. The forest is taking over. Become powerful. Us. So close. I really wonder how we got the anchor. I imagine we fished it up, but oh. We need 30 bucks. This. $7. 7 doll hairs. 1 doll hair. not a way to, like, isolate things? I could have sworn there was. Whatever. Yo, it's nighttime. Where the fairy at? I know, we're running a little bit late, or a little over time, but we just got the money, man. Can't really tell what time it is because it's dark. Okay, we'll give it just a little bit. I feel like it's almost nighttime. I literally can't tell. It's probably a clock somewhere and I just don't know. So they said we get like special prizes for completing these DM things. Topaz. Oh, that. I need doll hairs. The next thing we're going to be getting 100% is I want to get the ability to find gems. Like, my main priorities. Need to cook more fishies too. I just need to get XP. Let's just clear stuff out. I'm telling you, I'm not wanting to end this episode until we can do something. I want to talk to the fairy lady. I don't want to end the episode until we do it. Dang it. Yeah, we might actually just level up by the time. Sorry, chicken, you're in the way. I'll open my grilled chicken. I think judging by the fact that we haven't gotten any more anchors, that's not how anchors spawn. By the way, just thought I'd let you know. Yeah, can we chop down these cacti? Can. Oh, they drop cactus fruit. Yeah, I should eat. Come on, it's fine. Don't panic. A lot of cactus fruit. Matter of fact, this place seems great for ore. I don't even remember what we're doing with that. I just remember that I needed something. Hey, it's my girl. Thank you, you are so kind. Please take this as a token of our gratitude. Help the fairy queen. We got a treasure chest. Has a fairy in it. Provides passive health and energy regeneration. Yo! The real treasure in this adventure are the friends we make along the way. You know what? You're god dang right, lady. So are we getting that passive regeneration right now? Do I need to like do something for that? Also, what did we need to do here? Oh, this is what we need. We needed 5 leather for this. Honestly, I don't see my energy move. Hold on, we're just gonna chill. Energy's not moving. Doesn't look like I can activate it. Yeah, space is like a dodge roll. But I've definitely kept you guys way longer than I meant to. That's gonna do it for this episode, guys. If you guys liked it, go ahead and hit the like button. If you loved it, consider subscribing to the channel. If you're like, yo, this guy just helped that hot fairy bitch, and now he's strong as hell. I don't know why you'd be like that, but if you are like that for whatever reason, go ahead and subscribe to my Twitch and check out my Patreon down there in the description below. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. You guys are beautiful, amazing. I love all of your faces. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone. Have an amazing night.